Is Prince William actually seething over Meghan Markle constantly copying Princess Diana?
Welcome to Allegedly Tarot.
Hi everyone. I just saw RadarOnline today, and there was an article saying exclusive Prince William seething over exiled brother Harry's desperate Duchess wife Meghan constantly copying Princess Diana. Leave my mom's memory alone is allegedly what he is saying, and it goes to show Prince William is said to be raging. Meghan Markle is constantly trying to be his late mom, Princess Diana. So the Prince of Wales has consistently chosen to remain silent about the actions of the runaway royal Duchess of Sussex until she copied Princess Diana's purple Northwestern sweat top. But it says RadarOnline can reveal behind closed palace doors that he is seething over Meghan Markle's attempts to emulate the style of his late mother. The tipping point is said to have come when Markle posted a photo in the Northwestern University sweater on her Instagram, a clear nod to a similar look that Diana sported in 1996. So, I just want to ask Diana, my Pendulum, about this. So, was this article by Meghan, please? Because you never know, and it's, sounds like, so we're just going to ask, was this article by Meghan? Was it written or submitted by Meghan? That's going to know. That's going to know, guys. Look at that. Okay. I just wanted to know, because sometimes, it's crazy out there. Just put that down a tiny little bit there. Yeah, I'm just reading this off of my little screen here. So, an insider told us Meghan and her husband, the Duke of Sussex, have definitely ruffled some feathers in the royal family. I mean, her attempts to channel Princess Diana's style. On the surface, it doesn't seem that bad, but you won't believe how it's got under William's skin. Did Harry submit this article? Did Harry submit this article, please? Did Harry submit this article? And that is going to know too. Is it actually somebody from the palace, like a courtier or something? Is it actually somebody from the palace? Whoa, that's going straight to yes. Okay. So, well, I have to ask. So they want to get under William's skin, and if she reads this, she'll know anyway. Well, anyway, she knows that she's doing it. This latest tribute to Diana's fashion sense has ignited some serious drama online. Folks are tossing around the savage hashtag Meghan Markle American Psycho. Oh, I've used that so many times. That one really stings. But let's be real, her actions are triggering some intense reaction. William is seething. So, now I think I would be too. But is William really seething over this? Is he really seething over this? Look, that's going to know. Is this just a gossip? Is this just a gossip article? And, okay. Is William upset about it? About Meghan doing this? About, pretending to be Diana? Diana 2.0. Is William upset about it? It is barely going to... Let's try it again. Okay. I need you to tell us yes or no. Is Prince William upset about Meghan pretending to be Diana 2.0? Is he really upset about it? And that is going to yes. Okay. Well, I don't doubt it. I mean, so let's see. He can be sensitive when it comes to anything related to his beloved mother. It's pretty clear he's wishing Meghan would just let Diana's legacy rest in peace. Well, of course. By trying to connect herself to Diana, she's inviting some serious side-eye and accusations of having questionable taste. She already does. Poor William may be fuming, but it's not like he can put a stop to her. Now, they might say that, but can they stop Meghan if they wanted to? Can the royals stop Meghan if they wanted to? And that is going to yes. Barely. Okay, we need you to swing harder, okay? Could the royals stop Meghan if they wanted to? And that's going to yes. Yeah, there are so many people saying that behind the scenes Charles is actually supporting them, but I don't really know. So let's see. Did you see her on, did you see Meghan on Drew Barrymore? Most of you did, I think. I have not gone to her Instagram. I'm not having anything to... I'm not going there. It's not going to be in my feed. Nothing. I actually blocked her account. So whatever these people say, I just have to take their word. So, or if they take screenshots and stuff. It seemed like Markle, aligning herself with tragic Princess Di, will do little to help her new show, which has been panned by viewers. And I don't know why they decided to do a second series. That's another thing I haven't watched either. And I've been thinking about getting rid of Netflix, actually. In what the Sussexes will be a new money spinner. Products to include food as fruit preserves. I thought it was a spread or something. Markle grandly called them fruit preserves, and she added, I think we're all clear at this point that jam is my jam. Okay, so that's about it on there. I just want to ask about her on Drew Barrymore, and was she actually jealous that Drew Barrymore had met Princess Diana? Because you could actually see for a second there that her jaw clenched. So was Meghan jealous of Drew Barrymore meeting Princess Diana? That's going to yes. And that she hadn't. What else can I... So what's going to happen now? Is Netflix finally going to drop Meghan? Is Netflix finally going to drop Meghan after this? Because I've asked before and the Pendulum said no. So I'm going to ask, is Meghan Markle finished? Is Meghan Markle finished in Hollywood? That's saying yes. Is she finished with Netflix? Is Netflix finished with her now? Is Netflix finished with her? Please. And that is going to yes. Okay. And so what's going to happen now? I mean, is she like, what's going to happen now? We're all wondering. Is she and Harry finished? I've been reading on this for a while. Is Meghan and Harry both, are they both finished with each other? Or is their marriage finished? And that is going to yes. I was going to ask something. I saw this article, and I think it was in Closer magazine or something, that the Prince and Princess of Wales, when they went to Mystique, that they met with Harry. And
the biggest skill that you can have is the ability to make a decision.
Okay.
Well,
Let's stop that. I'll just turn that off now. Yeah, I saw this on Closer magazine, I think it was. I've been reading all the magazines because I have my little Libby app. I told you guys, if you have a Libby app, you can go to your you could go to your library online and get all these magazines for free. You don't have to pay £3 and £4 and £5 or $5, whatever for. Okay, so I think Closer said it was this week as well. So it's a new magazine. That the Prince and Princess of Wales had, gone to Mystique, and that Harry met them there, and they were having a meeting or something. Was that true? Because that is a gossip. That's a gossip magazine. Was that true? Did Harry go to Mystique and meet the Prince and Princess of Wales this week, or when they were in Mystique? And that is going to know. Thank God for that. So, yeah, I know you can't trust all these, but sometimes there's a little bit of truth in them. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this gossip session. And if you did, please press that like button and comment, please. And subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much. And I will see you on the next one.